Come to DJH Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Mercedes A-Class 180d Sport. It's literally just arrived, it's not even been valeted, finished in white. It's got the diamond cut alloy wheels, colour coded door handles, mirrors. Bodywork is in extremely lovely condition. Boot area is all lovely. Got the rear parcel shelf. Full leather interior. Electric windows, electric mirrors. It's done 95,939 miles. Got multifunction steering wheel. It's got cruise control. It's got Bluetooth. It's got satellite navigation. Air conditioning, 6-speed gearbox. At DJH we do offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.